Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Minecraft server. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So currently right now we're on the Java edition where we're going to mainly make the server. So from here all you have to do is to simply close the window. And then from here you're going to go to your browser where you're going to search for two things. First of all, we're going to search for the Minecraft server download. And so we're going to click on it right here. And you can see there's the download Minecraft server. Now, before we do this, we're going to search for this one, Java Downloads Oracle. I'm going to click the first link for Java Download. Then from here, you can see SDK 25 version. You're going to make sure to select the operator that is suitable for you. So for me, it's Windows. And then from Windows, we're going to install the latest one. So for the installer, just going to click on here. Then from here, we're just going to select whatever file. So I'm just going to make a new one and call it Minecraft server. Once you go here, just going to save it and make sure that it installs. And then from here, you're going to go to the Minecraft theme and you're going to download the Minecraft server and make sure to save it in the same place. Now, finally, that is done, you're going to make sure that both have installed directly. Open that file. And you can see we're going to just first go to the JDK 25 and make sure that it installs the latest Java edition, updating our Java for Oracle. So let it take its time. Once that is done, click on close. Then you can just delete this file and then make sure to double click this file, the server, and it's going to now generate new folders. And as you can see, give it some time, it's going to generate a text file as well. And there we are. Now we have a server and now we have a EULA. So just click on this one and make sure that you turn from false to true and then make sure to save it. Once you save that, just going to refresh and then going to double click on the server. And there we go. Now we have officially started our server. So this is going to be a full local server. So now what we can do is just launch Minecraft. So now once you go to the multiplayer section, add a server and just join for the local host, just like that, and name it whatever. Click on done. And then from here, once you join it, it's going to log in and encrypt, and it's going to join the world simply because it's the one from your computer, and this can work perfectly for LAN or any of that sorts. But if you would like for other friends to join the server, then you will need to do port forwarding, which you can find much servers on it and tutorials online, and that will be very easy to apply since you have done all the main steps at first. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.